Housi Moriba Pau. Northeast Testing Karambahiram, the Sangut Payaga, Habadu Tidok to Nasa Torang, Tadagaba sent from Leptopu Haina. Manipuri Governor Nazma had to learn from the cray. Amade Hidagmanagi Potok Sing Tingana Manipur Sarkana Akan Bamong the Tabak Chatara Kurumdare. ISTV Paming Tabibus Mutaram Nokchare. Hosima Pungi Pau. Northeast State Sing Karambahiram, the Sangut Payaga, the gay Habadu Tidokuna, Sakut Torangi Tadagaba sent from Leptopu Haina. Manipuri Governor Nazma Hetulana, Nasi, Manipur Legislative Assembly, hold the Pangtopat Northeast Region Commonwealth Parliamentary Association Gitarataruk Subai Annual Conference Kiloshin Bagitorum the Fondu Cray. Magna Makata na Haikibada, Northeast State Sing da Kari Resource Lady Bage, Karambana Hana Semgadagi Habasiti Dokumatautai, Northeast State Singi Maru Oina, Health, Education, Agriculture, Skill Development at Jingbada, Ahenbam Ying Tangduna, Pibam Pagat Hanaba, Honabatangai for the Haike.
We have a system of election where only big states get more people in the parliament to speak about. We, small states in the Northeast, get 1% in Rajya Sabha. 1% in Lok Sabha. Today we have 2 in the Lok Sabha, Manipur Parliament, 2 levels who needs more health services, which state needs more educational institutions, which state needs agricultural support, which state needs more skill development. Until and unless we have that survey, we won't be able to think what are the priorities of this. You divide the money on the basis of population. I said that's how it is. It is much better that we should distribute the money, at least for the Northeast.
Ngasiki Thoramatu da Health Minister L. Jantakumar, Speaker Y. Kem Chan, Parliamentary Association ki Chairman Sikkim Yauna Awang Nongpok State tagi Lakpa Speaker, Deputy Speaker, MLA, Lok Sabha Madi Rajya Sabha ki official kaya so sarukya ke. Manipur Sarkana Nimit Chamani ki manung da paikhat kadaba thabak singi manung chana hidak managi pothok sing lamda masida thingnana bagi thabak akan ba mong da chatharakle. Police Department ka Food Safety Department ki miyoy singa tongan ba mafam sing da drive chathaduna nimit khudingi hidak managi polam sing phagat bagi thabak leptre. Myanmar romdagi pusilakpa sanana ba polam kayasu phagatuna mangan bagi thabak leptana chatharakle. Kangpokpi Bazada Food Safety ki Kangbuna Kangpokpi ki Osiga Puna Drive Chathaduna Hidak Managi Polam Sing Amadi Myanmar Romdagi Pusilak Pachana Thakna ba Polam Kaya Fagatuna Mai Thakre. Nauna District Lautoki ba Farjol District Su Ngarang Miyam ki Numit Pangtoktuna District Administration ki Thaupuri ba Singa Praja Singa Hakteng na wari sanake. Farjol ki DC Office ta Pangtokpa Miyam ki Numit aduda DC Tombikanta Hanagi ADC Waikom Ibohol SDO Yumnam Nelson Thanlon ki SDO Lanminlal Semte Amadi Parbung ki SDO Eviren Susarugya ke Miyo yang khairom na DC da wakat palaki ba aduda lambi thong thagnana ba ising ana layeng amadi education ki lamda awada passing gengsen view haike DC Tombikanta na praja ki wakat sing mari laina ba department sing da khangalagani haike
DC Surasanpur da ahita sakiba Pezon decision bomba. The last Haragan double hectare bomba. Adu Mayam Tianazare, I wanted the director, Surasanpur Dicinasu. Adamari Makad worked over in the Tore, the director of Nina. Adumatology, Aduga. Madam, this district Kaito the Tormana Tormani, Kaito Manina, the city to Atoama Functional Legani, Hajavani. Aduga the adding in Matang to the Empazake, the Adi in Naharga. Mara some pipe to some piping the pipe of Irakan de Kaidorak de Haitare.
Mahire Mana, Asigumba Miang in the mid Toram Pangtopa say, Sarkagia Pabakongtani, Sea Minister N. Birenbu Farzol District Lakbina Bapel Toke.
At the same time, on behalf of all the students, we would like to request that RCM to visit the Farzol District, and we want to express and show how happy we are to our CM and Biren Singh.
Ukrulgi Kamasom Velesta NSNIM na Pubada Lake Kidraba Kamasom Kayang Kodagi S. Romeo alias Layapem Amadi nongmaina kaptuna hatkraba Khamasom village dagi el Jingripam mihata chenaba sing phagadabani haina ukrul gi desina district asigi SP da khangan kre International Domestic Workers Day ngasi chingmairong da laiba Travel Research Institute ta pangthokre Manipur Domestic Workers Movement na sinduna pangthokiba thoramadu da domestic workers singna makhoi gi haithoi singthoiba kaya utki thoramadu da saruk yakiba PSED gi Parliamentary Secretary K Leshona domestic workers singbu hanthana yengloidabani domestic workers singi phibam phagana baste sarkar asina paikat payaba thabak paikat lagani haike
lairaba tolaba awatba singbu yamna prajagi welfare da yamna oriented leba tawba scheme yam su thokune prajagi da interest loba higher class in gatana downtrodden awat apa leibasing lairaba tolaba singbu khanbiba government wabena tawrakani habse thajaba leijai habse mayam da haining mani
Kangbupi district ki manung chanba khawchangbung hairiba mafam asida Imphal Turel da Pawmilal chithau cheikunthramanga apokpa lunsat selhau khawchangbung village tagi nupa ama chatkiba tang 13 ge ayuk pung mapalom taba matamda Turel lananaba honabada isingna chenthakibadagi ngasi fawba thiba khangri hari Khawchangbung amadi Kaithel Manbigi miyamna tongan tongan ba mafam singda mahakpu thiduna lakli hari Kaithel Manbi village authority ki chairman Delam Lobumna housing fawba thiba khangdana leiri ba Pawmilal chithaubu phangnana thibada Manipur sarkar na sumateng pangbiu haina phongdurakle
ekoina numit nini humni thiba sida mafam mara khangdre aduna ma si gi kaino si ekoi ge sarkar gi tarap tagi mateng ama laga ekoina ma si misi si hakchang si phangnana thidar de koi authority natraga site gi village kangbuna ekoina ngasi phawba thiba phangre bisi mayam da khan jabani
Kurai ahong pung laifam gi matang da kurau thangliba mayang tili amasung makhoi ga loktunari basingna laifam sibu khopsin duna mitai lining chatpa singi mayokta case sathari basi atuba matam gi manung da loshinana ba Southeast Asia Cultural Organization na mari laina ba khudingmakta khangalakle Hauziga Temba Brent Lobjare
Pinasa Coaching Center, the best and only trusted coaching center in Imphal. Admission opens for 12 function course for class 6 to 10. Class starts on 22nd June 2017. Our toppers are first position Priyanka Morangtem, third position Sahaminas, fourth Rosaria Thonausam and Kushi Kumalambam, sixth position Michael Atom, 20th Kating Tabam Hine Devi and 24th Jasmine Hekuzum.
Hari limited seat.
Hakchangi labor sorakpadagi kuchu singaktaba hakchang choktarba tumma chaba yaraktaba khong hama numayaktaba singidamak amatta ngaraba upaidi jolib syrup amasung jolib capsule gu chanmina sinabiyo
I call it God's grace when I secured the first position in SSLC exam 2017. My heartfelt gratitude goes to my family, my well-wishers and BYS, where I was blessed with outstanding faculty and the most academic atmosphere. I feel BYS is not only one of the trusted centers but also a dream come true for any student. Priyanka Moirangthem.
Irudio Coaching Institute, Kesampa Tungtom Lekai behind Baigo Hotel. Admission opens for 5-month CBSE Foundation course for class 11 science. Date of commencement 15th June. Timing 4:45 to 7:30 p.m. For details, please contact Office of the Irudio Coaching Institute, Kesampa Tungtom Lekai behind Baigo Hotel. Contact number 81310256334.
Imphal Heart Institute, a complete cardiac care hospital with 24/7 ICCU at Sagobal Murang Nedak. 25 open surgeries has been done successfully. Angiography, pacemaker implantation, 2D echo, 24-hour Holter are also done. For detail, please visit Imphal Heart Institute, Sagobal Murang Nedak.
Saiji TMT bar ase latest German technology season aduna state of art factory Guwahati na puthok chabani masigi bar ase ahanba sundokpa product oibana calling zade taken de mapangil kali amadi amaga hazin beheli masi ayamba achauba government agency singna approve tawrba makhalgi TMT bar ne Saiji TMT bar
break matung me taram nokjare Tera Thanga Patilaiba Institute of Driver Training and Research Center na Transport Department ta traffic call tara taru kushinakre. Kumalampak ISBT the Pangthokpa Traffic Call Kushinabagi Thoramadu Transport Director C. Athar, Institute of Driver Training and Research Center Ge President S. Dilip Kumar, Imphal West Ki DTO TS Dinachandra Susarugya Ke. Driver Training and Research Center Asigi Member Secretary Santi Kumar na Center Asina Insolusingani Taranipal Dagi Scientific Oiba Mawongda Driver Training Pinanaba Thorang Tori Hake. Steps to hand washing it Thoram Ngasi Tangal Kaitil the Laiba Byrondan Maxwell Hindi Primary School the Pangtokre. National Health Mission Manipuri Maka the Pangtokpa Thoramaduda School Gi Head Mistress Sunitana Pikliba Angang Singbu Layong Kaya Dagi Ngatok Naba Thorang Ngasi Paikat Pani Hake. Hana RJDU Gi President Oirambadagi Siva Sena Manipur State Unit Ki President Amuk Oiraba E Tombina Manipur da Thabak Pangdabat Nahasing Tabak Pinanaba Honagani Haina Ngasi Babu Parada Labor Party Sigi Manipur State Unit Ki Office the Pangtokpa Pangwisinga Unabada Fongdo Kre Party Sigi National President Amadi National Secretary Nachingba Lucingba Kaya July Thada Lakani Haide Awang Chokong Development Club North Eosina Nisagi Mayukta Sangshilakpa Khongjangda Mai Pakna Sangshili Haina Development Club Ki President Ramthar Kaisingna Ngasi Club Asida Pangtokpa Pangwisinga Unabada Fongdo Kre Magna Makata na Haikibada, North Eosida, Hana Leramba, Maykaba, Nisa Chaba, Amadi, Lamsat Kambi Nupising, Ayuk Nuntil Matamda, Udrabasu, Numidang, Atengo Matamda Tortuna, Makoi Karbar, Jatana Bahonare, Masi Tingana Bahonabada, Kudong Sadabakaya, Lafasina Mayuknare, Sarkagi Maikedagisu, Makoi Singa Sigi, Tongan Balefam Ama, Sinbinaba, Honabiu, and that non Karakana Juba Matamda, North Eosigi Nakal the Ladyba, Water Supply Gi Wall Gi Sarukai Get Okibadu, Atubamatamda Sarkana Semzin View Hike.
Rehab ama outskirt mafam ama thamani maramdi heart of city haina chingba yaba BOC mafam sida moibu prostitute sida maram oiduna jaga ama center oina laikhibna maram oiduna nupi angang hawaiba tungda hawaiba youth sing nupi angang mayam mafam sida machine amot pam oiduna angang kya gi punsi je sahi nipu imunung sida kya mang kibale aduna ngasi club na si yengaga masi de phajadre yaragadi masi mafam jaga outskirt amada khongbina nabagi damakta ekoina mamang dasu government bu yamna koina haije kibale ngasi bo thaba oina onthok pide ado handak government sarkar no bula iba BJP sarkar sina soidana masigi procedure amasun drug addiction singi damakta outskirt mafam amada moigi jaga rehab ama thambina naba haibese club ki on behalf tigi Manipur miyam gi damakta Manipur miyam gi future kannang mai damakta masi request tawningi
ISTV News ki Churachandpur gi correspondent oina Insolisingani Taretagi Thabak Tawduna Lakiba Monthang BP stroke number oiduna hospital da laikanaraba matungda ngasi laikhidre masagi chahi nifumatoi sukre magna hinglingai matamda ISTV News mapung phana bahonabada achoba thodang loramba misakni magna manung matam chadana laikhidabada ISTV network ki management committee amadi news section na awaba phungdukle Haibong Pokpida ising isauna sokalaba mafam sing department ki miyoy sing na yengsilaba matungda yung tarada ward member club ki president amadi department ki miyoy sing na cheng Hawaii amadi thau na chingba yantokre haina mayang langjing gram panchayat ward number 10 Haibong Pokpida kangalakle hauze amukan na 10 brand club jare
Delicious cookies from Likla Bakery.
World-class interventional cardiology at Sky Hospital, performing non-operative closure of hole in heart, coronary angioplasty requirement and RF ablation. Don't delay. Hurry for consultation with Chief Cardiologist Dr. L. Shamkishore for hole closure, RF ablation and other procedures like pacemaker, ICD, CRT, combo angiogram are also available.
Ladies Fitness World, Keshampat Junction, Tidim Main Road. Ihan hanbo oina hangdokjaba nupi khaktagi oiba fitness center ni. Fitness center asida aerobics, zumba amasung makhal khudingi bodybuilding equipment su thamjari. Adom na adom gi convenient oiba khudong jaba matam ama yenglaga sanaba lakpiyu.
Kanagumana low income building plot rent lining by yoning belergadi adong low income building itse sang pubiratuna laiba yon ba irai laina yagani loina na 2-wheeler 4-wheeler laiba yon ba khudong chabasu pijari with consulting lawyer. Please contact Landmark Real Estate Agent, Nagamapal Rims Road, Imphal West, Manipur 705-001, adjacent to Sapum X-ray.
Bhai Gurudas Group of Institutions, Sangarur, Punjab na students खुदिंग की imagination की बात discover तौबगी मथक्ता knowledge की importance मतिक चाना पीरी बमा फमनी education पीबा खतंग नतना हायंगी युबिरोल पुथोकवा institute नी
सिटी जुआर आजिंगे तुरे करी ना तू टीचर मुझे करी योजो सिटी योची नहीं है मस्गी योशिदी तता तिस्कोनी ने अदुदी सनागी बहुत यंगना सिंबे यामद्रे
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through sailing stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Break matung demi ambam kana taram nokchare. Central Agriculture University gi makhada Krishi Vigyan Kendra Imphal East na jingnung khokta anubu makhal gi yenau sing progressive farmer amadi farm women sing da yenthokre. Yenau sing yenthokpagi thoramadu da yenau macha sing da karamna machinjak pijagani amadi hidak langthak sing thaduna matau karamna layengadagi haibagi matangda subject expert oiriba Dr. Sushil Kumar na wangangke. Expert makatana haikibada yirum khaktagi damak yel loiba commercial farm amata Manipur da leite maramaduna Manipur da puthokliba yirum sing asi chamada chamadi backyard poultry dagi puthokpa ngaktani haiba wafam sing phungdukhe khungangi lomi singi senate loan phagat hanbada yirumgi pothok hengat hanbana afaba makhalgi yirum kokpi yen amadi masasu sijinaba yaba yen sing loinabagi pandamda yenau masa sing adu yen thokpani haike hauzik maroi ba pamu Northeast State sing karamba hiramda semgatpa yagadagi haibadu thidokuna sakut thaurangi thadagadaba senfam laptop yu haina Manipur Governor Nazma Heptullah na phongdokre amade hidak managi pothok sing thingnanaba Manipur sarkar na akanba mawongda thabak chatharakle ISD pawming tabirba singba mukahanna kurumjare